Welcome to the Roost with Lori and Farah.
Today we're going to do some Thanksgiving centerpieces for the upcoming holiday. I'm going to work on a larger one and Lori's going to do some smaller votive size. So I picked a color scheme of green, red, and a sprinkle of white. And then I picked a couple of non-flower elements. So I'm doing turkey feathers and a couple of wooden elements. You can pick up those at your craft store. I got the feathers on Amazon if you don't find the ones you're looking for. But just start with a group of 3 or 5 of whatever flowers you're using and work your way around to create some different heights. I like to have the feathers be the tallest elements so that they stick up and kind of, make the bouquet feel special. And then these spiral wooden, these will poke your eye out, be careful. These spiral wooden elements are fun. Give something a little different to the arrangement.
This arrangement would be great on your, your entry hall table or maybe on your buffet because it makes a big impact.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can use, if you don't have the Thanksgiving colors, you can also use different elements that have varying colors of green. Could be, we've got from light to dark green, we've got green that has a red tinge to it.
Like these are really pretty.
Yeah, they are really pretty. And they kind of pull together the green and red that we have going on. And if you really want to keep it easy.
Yeah, so since this is a bigger statement piece, we want to think about what we might want on our dining room table so that you can actually have a conversation with the folks sitting around you. And for that, well, first let me give you a look at this. This turned out really nice, I think, except for the one that's drooping down. But you get the idea. There's a lot of variety here, a lot of texture, super pretty. But for your dining room table, we like to stick with smaller arrangements.
Yeah, again, not tall.
Yeah, you can see over them. Again, grocery store flowers. I love hydrangeas. I love roses. You can get them year round. You only need a couple hydrangeas since they're so voluminous. You can stick in your greenery. The same stuff that we used in the larger piece.
Yeah, we just trimmed it down a little shorter.
And we also have some smaller feathers that we're going to stick in here to make it a little bit more dressy.
And it's just a little interesting element that
Love these turkey feathers.
Yeah, those are great. Perfect.
Okay, and then you can do a similar type of thing with roses. I've got 3 here, and we're sticking in the greenery.
Yeah, for the smaller blooms, 3 or 5 is great. For a votive, 3's plenty, and that looks gorgeous.
Yes. You can do a series of these on your Thanksgiving table, and it'll work out great.
Yeah, perfect. And for those of you that might want something that's completely no work involved, I found these beautiful succulents that came in orange, yellow, and red at Trader Joe's, $3.99. So you could use those. And the other thing that they had were big baskets of produce, squash, pumpkin, gourds. You can throw those in a bowl and have that as your centerpiece, or
candles. We love candles. We are using a hurricane and some miniature pine cones here to create a little bit more festive flair. And everybody looks better by candlelight, so
that's
definitely recommend adding candles to your Thanksgiving table. But we're so grateful you're here. Thank you for following along at the Roost. We're just getting started and we look forward to our journey with you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.